Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Well, even though it's still a little chilly outside, it's time to start preparing for your spring gardening. You should be adding a 3 to 4 inch layer of good organic mulch or compost to your soil and mixing it to a depth of 10 to 12 inches. This will add fresh organic matter and keep the soil fluffy for new fragile roots to grow in. Our Dr. Q's vegetable and herb mix is perfect for this job, along with our Gold Dust starter fertilizer to replenish the nutrients that were used up by last season's plants. If you haven't started yet, you still have some time to get those soil amendments, fertilizers, and garden supplies needed for your veggie and herb garden. Certain types or varieties of some vegetables are not always available in plant starters when the season begins. For example, items such as beans, corn, and peas come in only one variety in plant form. Items like carrots, radishes, spinach, and turnips are seldom even grown as plant starters. Now is a great time to check out our seed displays and pick out some of the new varieties available this year. Seed packets offer a much better selection of organic, heirloom, specialty, and newer vegetable varieties. Herb plants like basil, cilantro, dill, lavender, parsley, rosemary, and thyme are already arriving in 4-inch pots. Some of the warm season vegetable plants will be arriving in our stores soon, so plan on getting in early to get the best selection. Watch the forecast and when needed, protect your young plants with hot caps or other covering to prevent freezing. Whatever the size, a large garden plot, a small raised bed, or just some containers on your balcony or patio, you can still be a successful gardener here. The best placement for your garden is on the east side of the house, where it gets 6 to 8 hours of morning sun and afternoon shade. Raised beds or containers are good to grow in because they allow for better drainage. It just takes the right place, proper preparation, and the right products to get the job done. For more information on this topic, get a free copy of our Star Notes number 205 and 215 at starnursery.com, or check out our new Star Nursery app for your smartphone. Lots of great gardening information and ideas, and it's free. Register for our free seminar on veggie and herb gardening at 10 a.m. Saturday, February 23rd at our Eastern, Ann Road, and Tropicana locations. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.